recording.
Whoa, Devin, why are you so sad, buddy?
I'm just not having a good day, Vaughn.
You know what? Let's reflect that frown upside down.
What? How?
I'll show you. Let me show you with this mirror, Devin. If you look in there, you can see your face. And then this mirror would be the line of reflection because your face shows up there.
Dude, that's so awesome.
I know, right? You know what else is symmetrical?
What's that?
These shoes. Because look here. If I put a line just right here, these two will both be the same, but this one will be flipped from that one, which will make them symmetrical and it reflects.
Wow. Would this be symmetrical?
Actually, Devin, no. Because if you look at this book, if we put a line of reflection right down the middle here, this side would have a bite mark on it, and this side would not. So actually, it is not.
Ah, darn.
So Devin, let me show you how this works. First of all, this is plus plus. This part of the graph would be plus minus. This part of the graph would be minus minus, and this would be minus plus. Let's say I were to put a dot in the minus plus part of the graph right here. I could put my line of reflection anywhere, even right here. Let's say I were to get this transparency and put it right here, and then I were to trace my line of reflection and my dots, and then if I reflect it across the line like this, they would be symmetrical, and then would be reflected.
Wow, Vaughn, that's awesome.
I know.
You gotta tell more people about this, man. This is crazy awesome.
I know, right? I wish the whole world would know about this.
You know what's a good way to do it?
What's that, Devin?
A song. Yeah.
Take a look at this graph with its XY intercepts. Pretty easy, you don't have to be an intellect. Say you want to reflect a point across that line, just use your transparency and you'll be fine. Plus, plus, minus, 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 plus. Don't forget plus minus, it isn't sus. The line of reflection can be anywhere. It's true, it really just doesn't care. When an X value flips its sign, then you know it crossed the y-axis line. If a y value goes across the x-axis line, you know what quadrant you will find. We've been learning all our lives that reflections go across the lines. You may not even realize they are around you all the time. Find the line of reflection and you'll get a feeling of satisfaction. Just flip your image across the line and you just reflected. Look at you, Einstein. Wake up in the morning, look in the mirror. That's a reflection, it's pretty clear. Check out this butterfly, look at its wings. That's a reflection too, we're rolling like kings. Look down at a lake and you see your face. Ain't it beautiful what reflections can create? Take a look at your shoes, they're symmetrical too. There's more examples, just look at Hugh. Reflections are everywhere, even in the air, so no, you really need to care. So now you've been learning about reflections and lines, it's time for a chorus, it's pretty divine. We've been learning all our lives that reflections go across the lines. You may not even realize they are around you all of the time. Find the line of reflection and you'll get a feeling of satisfaction. Let's flip your image across that line you just reflected. Look at you, Einstein.